In previous video, I have told you about applied mathematics, the new subject for senior secondary classes. Now here, in this video, I am going to compare the syllabus of applied mathematics and mathematics core, that is 041. In applied mathematics, code is 241 and main mathematics code is 041. Applied mathematics divided in 8 units, total 80 marks paper. And mathematics, which is especially for science stream students, divided in 6 units, total 80 marks. And 20 marks in both applied mathematics or mathematics is internal assessment, means practical. Now chapter wise I am going to compare now. In applied mathematics, first topic is numbers, quantifications, numerical applications, complex number. Complex number is also in mathematics given. Then about logarithmic, log functions, numerical problems on average, calendar, clock, time, work and distance, mensuration, seating arrangement. These topics are in applied mathematics, but in mathematics only one topic is covered which is common, that is complex number. Complex number is common in both. Remaining are given only in applied mathematics. Now next unit, sets. Sets given in both applied mathematics and mathematics. Relations and types of relations also given in both in applied mathematics and in mathematics. Sequence series, it is common in both group. Basic concept of permutation and combinations given in applied mathematics, but in mathematics it is given in detail. Mathematical reasoning in detail given in applied mathematics, but in short it is also given in mathematics. Now next third, functions given in applied mathematics and functions also in mathematics. Concept of limits and continuity of function, rate of change, that is derivative, differentiation, it is given in applied mathematics. Limits and derivatives as a chapter given in mathematics core. Here in applied mathematics, tangent line and equations of tangent given, which is not given in mathematics. It is additional topic given in applied mathematics. Then next, probability. Probability given in both, that is common syllabus, applied mathematics and in mathematics core, having code 041. Some new topics given in applied mathematics, which is covered in is a law of total probability. It is given in applied mathematics only. It is not here in mathematics. And one more, Bayes theorem, which is also given in applied mathematics as a part of probability, but not covered here in mathematics. Here only random experiment, events and different approaches of probability is given. Then here this chapter is common in both types of data, raw material, data of various scales, data representation, interpretation of data, Here central tendency, dispersion, deviation, variance, skewness and kurtosis. But here in mathematics, only measure of dispersion and range and mean deviation, standard deviation, variance it is given, and analysis of frequency distribution. But here in case of applied mathematics, it is percentile rank and quartile rank also given in applied mathematics, and correlations is also part of syllabus here. Then next, application of descriptive statistics using real-time data is also given here. Then next, in coordinate geometry, straight line given, and in mathematics also straight line as a one chapter is given. In conic section, circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola given. Circles also given in applied mathematics. Parabola is given common. Ellipse and hyperbola, it is also common. Here in coordinate geometry, only three straight lines, circles and parabola. Basic concept is given, but detail in this mathematics is given here. Straight line as a one chapter and then remaining as a part of conic sections given. Now next, that is commercial mathematics given here in applied math, and which is not given in mathematics as 041. That is a additional chapter which is given in applied mathematics, especially for the commerce students, which is beneficial in future. As given, interest, interest rate, simple and compound interest, present value, net present value, future value, simple application of regular annuity, tax, calculation of tax. These are important in business, accountancy, economics, in these areas. Calculation of electricity bill, water supply bill, other supply bills. It is part of applied mathematics. And this whole chapter is not given in mathematics. Three-dimension geometry is given in mathematics as topics covered here: coordinates axis, 3D plane, coordinates of a point in space, and distance between 2 points, and also section formula, and which is not given in applied mathematics. Next, in mathematics, binomial theorem given, and especially binomial theorem for positive integral powers it is given, general and middle terms given, and it is not covered in applied mathematics. Next, linear inequality is given in mathematics, and also it is not given in applied mathematics. Means this chapter is not given in applied mathematics. Graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables, solution of system of linear inequations, and all these things not given in mathematics having code 241. Trigonometric functions. Here in mathematics, trigonometric functions, angles, trigonometric functions, sum and difference of angles, trigonometric equations, and then next chapter, principle of mathematical induction is given, and these chapters not given in applied mathematics. So in this pattern, you are able to compare the syllabus of applied mathematics and mathematics. Especially mathematics is designed for, again I want to tell, it is designed for science stream students and it is for commerce students. And the students who have taken basic mathematics in class 10th, they can opt applied mathematics in class 11th, 12th. But for this subject mathematics in 10th, it is necessary you should take as a standard mathematics.